The whole elders was quiet. You couldn't hear nothing. And then we just heard it one shot. And I was running to the gate and this passed, somebody passed there and I was asking, hey, what's going on? And he said, hey, they shoot Nathaniel, they shoot Loki.
Usapho lukaNathaniel Julius luqhelekile kukusweleka komntwana walo. Abazali bakhe bathi ngosuku adutyulwe ngalo unyana wabo kwakuthe nkcwe eEldorado Park beva ngesandi sompu kudutyulwa phandle kanti kwakudutyulwa umntwana wabo. Umama wakhe uthi akakholelwa ukuba akazukuphinda ambone umntwana wakhe ephila kwaye uthi eli linxebe lingophiyo.
There's always a certain thing that Nathaniel did in this house, and we will never be able to see that again. We will never be able to hear his voice. As I'm sitting right now, I just can wish that he can run through the doors and say, I want a cup of tea. And that was Nathaniel about. So my feelings right now, I don't know what to feel anymore. Because this is not just Nathaniel, Down syndrome, this is my baby.
Usapho lukholelwa kolokuba amapolisa bezama ukuquma esisenzo.
Why did they come back and throw the scent on that blood? If there's a sign green, why didn't the police cordon off that place for danger? Nothing of that thing it happened.
Abahlali bathi iziganeko ezikumila kunje ziqhelekile eEldorado Park kwaye bathi abasawathembi amapolisa kule ngingqi.
My son was killed in my yard, also by an off-duty drunken cop. First, his brother, the metro cop, came, jumped over my wall. When they couldn't do anything, they found the police officer who works for crime intelligence. He came back, they ripped off my roller shutter, and they shot my son through the gate.
Abahlali bakwakhalazela ukungananzwa ngurhulumente bathi kuquba ukusetyenziswa kweziyobisi kule ngingqi ngenxa yezinga lentswela-ngqesho eliphezulu kwaye abanakho ukuhlawula iinkonzo.
But this is the poor of the poorest community. Unfortunately, we can't afford the amounts that they want. They admitted to say the sliding scale is a problem. Now they're threatening our people to say that they are going to cut them. I just want to tell them one thing, that we are going to court. The mayor did receive a letter from Yaldeka stating he must stop all cutting. Up till today, he never responded. So what does it tell you? We are still being marginalized.
Yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa.
Usapho lukaNathaniel lukholelwa kolokuba ukuba belingafumananga inkxaso kubahlali baseEldorado Park noluntu ngokubanzi, elityala ngelingakhange lihambele phambili bafumana impendulo ngokwenzeke kumntwana walo. Kungokunje amapolisa'mabini atyholwa ngokubulawa kukaNathaniel aseseluvalelweni Dyavele phambi kwenkundla kwakhona ngomhla we-10 kule imiyo. Ukanti umngcwabo kaNathaniel uza kubanjwa ngoMgqibelo kule veki eEldorado Park.